Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing and coloring the biggest, goofiest crocodile ever, Silly Crocodile. He's not just big, he's silly, swishy, and totally full of fun. He's standing right in the middle of a bright and breezy forest, with butterflies all around and sunshine on his back. So grab your crayons, markers, or pencils, and let's draw together. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! If you love drawing and learning with us, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already smiling, go ahead and give this video a big like. Let me tell you what happened. One sunny morning in the colorful forest of Abaca, our friend Silly Crocodile woke up with the biggest, goofiest yawn. Yawn! Roar! He stretched his long green tail, blinked his big round eyes, and shook the leaves off his back. I feel extra silly today, he roared with a giggle. So off he went, stomping through the trees, chasing his shadow and waving to butterflies. Silly Crocodile wasn't looking for anything special. He just loved being outside, soaking up the sun and feeling the warm forest breeze. Would you stomp like a crocodile with me? Let's try together. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Now let's all imagine we're crocodiles too, just like Silly Crocodile. If you were in a big green forest, what would you do? Would you splash in the river with your tail? Would you roll down a hill and shout, "Hello, world"? Our Silly Crocodile rolled in the grass, wiggled his tail, and made the trees giggle with his happy laughter. Suddenly, a little yellow bird landed right on his snout and said, "You're the silliest croc I've ever seen." And you know what Silly Crocodile did? He gave the biggest belly laugh and said, "That's me." Here's something cool. Crocodiles love warm places, and our Silly Crocodile found the warmest, sunniest patch in the forest to lie down and smile. He stood up tall, blushing pink on his cheeks, and flapped his little claws in joy. Then, whoops, he got so wiggly and giggly that his tail tickled the trees above. Can you imagine a crocodile's tail brushing the sky? Let's all make a Silly Crocodile sound together. Giggle, grumble, roar! If you think Silly Crocodile is the happiest in the forest, give this video a big like. So, what did Silly Crocodile teach us today? That you don't always need a big adventure or a treasure map to have fun. Sometimes just being outside, feeling the breeze, and being exactly who you are is the best adventure of all. He looked around at the tall trees, fluttering butterflies, and soft grass under his feet. Then he smiled and said, "I love being me, especially in the forest." Now let's finish coloring our crocodile. What color would you give Silly Crocodile spots? Would you use green and yellow, or maybe purple and blue? What if he had rainbow scales? That would be super silly. Let your imagination go wild. So bright, so bold, so cool.
Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 Let's draw and learn. Ooh, ooh.
drew the big, silly crocodile standing proud in the forest with his silly smile and swishy tail. We laughed, stomped, wiggled, and learned that it's okay to be a little silly and a lot proud of who you are. If you love fun stories and colorful art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. And if you had fun drawing Silly Crocodile with me today, give this video a big like. Thanks for drawing with me today, friends. See you next time on Let's Draw and Learn. Bye-bye!